Tasmanian Motorsports. Cory?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so Cory has started to pull down the car, as you can see. Fenders off, wire loom is out. And what, you're preparing to do the seam welding?
Right now. That's what we're doing right now. That's what we're going to start doing right now.
So how is the seam welding going to help?
Well, it will help keep the car in one piece. It's stopping from falling apart because, you know, these cars, they come punched and not welded. So we're now going to reinforce all the joinings with spot weldings just to keep the car in proper firm order.
Okay,
you know?
so the car will, this could help with handling also, right?
It will help with handling. The car would be, the body itself would be more rigid, you know, it would resist more of the flexing that would pull the car apart.
The car tends to flex more.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. So
alright.
it's more a stability and structure strengthening principle, the best way to put it.
Alright, any pointers you can give us on how you go about doing seam welding?
Well, basically the first thing we begin with, we start to remove the sealant that they put there. As you know, as I said, the car is clamped together, so the seams are open, so they put a sealant in there so moisture don't get between there. So the first thing, you have to dig all this thing out, then you have to use the wire wheel and sand the area until it reach back down to nice pure metal. Then we go about with doing, well, and I don't know what design I'm going to use yet. If I'm going to go spotting or if I'm going to go 1-inch bead with 1 inch apart welding. So,
okay.
But that's basically what.
So those are different techniques that you have.
Yeah. You have actual length of beads that you can use with certain distances apart, and you can use your spots that are very close together.
Okay.
I prefer to use spots.
Okay, any specific reason?
The spots, then it neater to do the spots, less splatter, and you actually use less welding material.
Okay. Alright. Well, alright, I'll leave you to it. I was really surprised to come and see the car starting to be torn down, but good going.
It's called progress, my brother.
Alright, that's good. So, Taz, I'll leave it all to you.
Yeah, man, that's it.
So the majority of the seam welding is complete. Next we have the roll cage to be done. So I'll be acquiring the material and getting it to Tasmanian Motorsports. In the next episode we'll be looking through the regulations as to what design of roll cage we'll be installing in the car, and also many have been asking me what motor do I plan to put into the car. So I will be revealing what motor I plan to put in the car and why. So until next time, enjoy.